So jumping right into the video, something that I try and do every single week before I wash my hair is to hydrate my ends. So I love coconut oil. It is my absolute favorite oil to use for my hair. It has so many great benefits. Coconut oil helps promote scalp health. It helps fight against dandruff. It adds a really nice luster and shine, and it leaves your hair really soft. And it also really helps prevent breakage and split ends, which is why I love to apply it to my ends. And I work it in really well. For the scalp, I am going to go in with jojoba oil, which is another favorite. One of the reasons I love jojoba oil is because it's filled with a lot of amazing vitamins that is going to help nourish your hair. It has vitamin C, B, and E, and it is also rich in copper and zinc. This oil is also great at preventing hair loss, and it really helps promote thick hair. So I love adding jojoba oil to my roots, and then I really like to massage it in there to help stimulate my scalp. I am someone that suffers from scalp psoriasis, so for shampoo I have been using Head and Shoulders just to help keep my scalp at bay and itch free. But whenever I'm not using Head and Shoulders, I will use this shampoo by Shea Moisture. I take a little bit of Head and Shoulders and I mainly focus that on my roots. I don't bring it down to the rest of my hair. For conditioner, I love this one from Shea Moisture, and it is the Manuka Honey Intense Hydrating Conditioner. And I love it because it is very hydrating and it provides really good slip, which makes it very easy for me to detangle my hair. I always start from the bottom with my Denman brush and then I work my way up. And it takes me like no time at all to detangle my hair. All right, now that we are out of the shower, I am going to take my rose water. This is something new that I have been doing and I really enjoy it. I apply rose water to my scalp as soon as I get out of the shower because rose water is a natural anti-inflammatory and it really helps reduce dandruff and it stimulates hair growth. However, once I'm out of the shower, if my hair tends to start drying up a little bit, I just wet my hair to replenish lost moisture, and it smells so good, you guys. I absolutely love doing this. I love the way it smells and it leaves my hair feeling super soft. So I have been re-wetting my hair with rose water before I go in with my styling product. For my styling product, I'm going to go in with the OG Kinky Curling Custard. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know this is a cult favorite. I absolutely love this product and I buy like the jumbo tube or tub. I don't know. I buy like the big bottle at Whole Foods because it lasts a lot longer. I don't add anything before like a leave-in conditioner or anything like that. I just do the rose water to add moisture and then I go straight in with the Kinky Curling Custard. I focus it on my roots just to help with the flyaways and then I bring anything extra down to my ends. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love this gel and it works best when your hair is really wet. If you apply it to dry or damp hair, you will get crunchy curls. So if you don't want crunchy curls, just make sure that your hair is really wet. I do want to try the method where people apply their hair product when their hair is like soaking wet out of the shower. So I might do a video on that because I've never done that before and I do want to try it with the Kinky Curling Custard just to see how it turns out. But this product is awesome. I swear by it. I recommend it and it has all natural ingredients so you don't have anything artificial in your hair. It works really well. After I'm done applying the gel, I do like to just brush through my curls just to make sure I don't have any knots or tangles, and then they will naturally curl up on their own. And then I do like to make sure that the back part is brushed out because I don't like having like a straight line in the middle of the back of my head, if that makes any sense. So I brush the back just to make sure that's nice and smooth back there. And then I'm gonna go in and fix my parting. I have a cowlick right in the center of my head. That's why I always do like a side part just so it could look straight. So yeah, I went in with a pencil because I couldn't find my comb. I fixed my parting. And then I'm going to go in with a shine spray from Giovanni. This stuff smells so good. It has a very nice oily but not greasy texture, and it provides a very nice shine to the hair. So I apply the shine spray just a little bit, not too much, and then I let my hair air dry for about 30 minutes, and then I diffused for about 20 minutes or so. And here is what my hair looks like when it's completely dry. This is actually day 2 hair, and it looks very natural. It feels very soft, and I really love the way it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one.